Hi guys, so today I'll be sharing my recent favorite skincare routine that I follow to get rid of my acne and acne scars. So all of these products are from this brand called Ossia Herbals. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then hi, hello. My name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. Now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's talk about cleansers. So for the longest time, I've been using Neutrogena's Deep Clean Face Wash and their daily scrub until recently. So a couple of years ago, I stumbled upon this brand called Ossia Herbals and I actually used to use their other products, which we'll be talking about later in this video. During the third purchase of those products, I actually stumbled upon this particular product, which is called Ossia Herbals Neem Pure Anti-Acne and Pimple Face Wash. This face wash actually claims to control oil and reduce excess sebum on your face and is formulated for oily, sensitive and pimple-prone skin. So the ingredients in this face wash are aqua, sodium lauryl ether sulfate, glycerin, cocamero propyl betaine, sodium PEG7 olive oil carboxylate, disodium laureth sulfosuccinate, propylene glycol, xanthan gum, vectorized glycerin with cinnamon extract, neem extract, turmeric extract, imiduria, neem leaves flakes, essential oil blends, phenoxyethanol, polysorbate 20, allantoin, disodium EDTA. So these are the ingredients mentioned in this product. So this product actually claims to have neem leaves extract in it along with other herbal ingredients that are actually good for our skin and which will help to remove excess oil and impurities from our skin while also toning and refreshing your skin. The texture of the face wash is more like a slimy gel. It does not foam on your face and is very gentle and does not rip away any extra moisture from your face. In fact, it retains and hydrates your skin with every wash. And yes, it does leave a calming or cooling effect on your face. Also, the good thing about this face wash is that it does not contain any paraben or silicone in it. So if you're looking for fragrance, alcohol and paraben-free face wash to treat your acne and pimples, you can definitely give this product a try and you will definitely start seeing results within 2 or 3 weeks of daily usage. This product actually retails for 538 rupees for 120 gram of product. Moving on with the second product of the day, we have Ossia Herbals Anti-Acne and Pimple Serum. This unique serum has antiseptic and healing properties of natural extracts to clear pimples and your skin eruptions. It keeps the skin smooth and soft and has this amazing astringent and cooling property for acne treatment. It has a combination of natural ingredients that help in reducing your pimples, your acne scars, the pore size and also controls the oiliness on your face. So let's look at the ingredients of this product. The ingredients are aqua, glycerin, neem extract, propylene glycol, polyacrylamide and C13 to 14, isoparaffin and laureth 7, vectorized glycerin with cinnamon extract, turmeric extract, Taractogenos curzi seed oil, Nigella sativa seed oil, leptose amino acid, palm glyceride, carpirol glycine, Magnolia grandiflora, bark extract, imiduria, phenoxyethanol, allantoin, xanthan gum, fragrance, disodium EDTA and triclosan. I'm pretty sure I butchered half of the names, but at least you get a gist, right? This product does contain fragrance, but it is at the very end of the ingredients list. So I don't think so is a problem, but you still have to do a patch test whenever you try a new product. So please keep that in mind. The consistency of this serum is like a water-based moisturizer. It absorbs into the skin very quickly and easily and is transparent and non-greasy. I apply it once a day and leave it as is. Ideally, it's supposed to be used twice a day, but I apply a different product and go to bed. This serum is actually my very first experience with this brand, so I really liked the product because it actually helped in reducing my acne scars, and it also nearly stopped my active acne and also reduced all the redness and blemishes on my cheeks. So that is a plus point. But also I did keep track of what I'm eating and also tried to reduce the sugar intake in my diet. Both of those two things went hand in hand when it came to reducing my acne and acne scars. This product is also paraben free and it retails for around $4.95 for 50 ml of product. The third product is Ossia Herbals Anti-Acne and Pimple Gel for normal to oily skin. The ingredients in this product are aqua, glycerin, neem extract, propylene glycol, acrylates, C10 to 30 alkyl acrylate, cross polymer, triethanolamine vectorized glycerine with cinnamon extract, turmeric extract, basil leaf extract, polysorbate 20, imidurea, phenoxyethanol, allantoin, fragrance, disodium EDTA. Even this product has fragrance, but it's at the very bottom of the ingredients list, so I don't think so it's going to be a problem, but patch test. It is an excellent gel for sensitive skin as well because it really soothes your skin and makes it very soft and plump. So if you apply and keep this overnight, you are going to wake up with a very soft and plump and hydrated skin the next day. Also, the very good part of this product is that it dries up my active acne or pimples in just 1 or 2 days without leaving any acne or pimple scars on my face. As you guys know that neem has antibacterial properties in it, so this is my second brand that I've tried with neem properties in it. The first one was Himalayas neem face wash, which actually did not work in my favor. It gave me a lot of breakouts. I don't know, so I just refrained from using that face wash over the years, and I was very hesitant to even try the neem range of Ossia Herbals. I'm glad that these products did not break me out. It is a very cooling gel that I actually got addicted to in this hot summer, so I did not skip this, and sometimes I also used to apply this in the afternoons to give me the calming cooling effect. So yeah, the product retails for around 245 rupees for 120 ml of product. If we talk about the texture, it's like any other gel that's available in the market and absorbs quickly into the skin. I keep alternating the serum and gel sometimes. I also alternate the gel with the Cetaphil cleansers. I apply and keep the Cetaphil cleanser overnight and wake up with a baby skin as well. I absolutely love this product so much that this is my second purchase from this brand. I already have finished the entire bottle of this product, and this is going to go in my empties bag. So I hope that empties video is up on my channel very soon. So make sure that you stay tuned for that video as well. The last product of today's video is the Ossia Herbals Glow Pure Anti-Tan Scrub. So this is how it looks. So the ingredients are aqua, aloe vera extract, carrot extract, cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, octyl salicylate, octyl ethoxycinnamate, stearate 2, stearate 21, glycerin, titanium dioxide, blackberry extract, papaya extract, licorice extract, grapefruit extract, caprylic triglycerides, shea butter, strawberry granules, xanthan gum, phenoxyethanol, perfume, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, EDTA disodium. As far as I know, methyl paraben is not considered as safe in other countries in skincare, so I'm a little dicey about that. Talking about the packaging, the product comes in this tube form and retails for around 300 rupees for 200 grams of product. I usually use this product once in every 2 weeks to exfoliate my skin and also take steam while using any sort of scrubs on my face. So you can watch my how to clear acne or pimples video. I've linked it in my iCards, so you can watch that so that you get an idea how to use any scrubs the right way. The texture of the scrub is more towards the creamier side and a little runny, but I don't mind that, to be very honest. It helps in moisturizing my skin along with exfoliating them at the same time. The best part is that it contains strawberry granules, and we all know how good strawberries are for our skin. Usually we get apricot, peach, walnut granules, but very rarely do we see berries used into scrubs, which is what intrigued me in trying this scrub. That's it for my skincare routine. That's all that I've been doing and following for my skincare, along with taking care of what I eat and avoid sugar as much as I can. If you are also struggling with acne and acne scars, try reducing your sugar intake in your diet. Drink lots of water and try these products out, because these products actually have helped me and they worked wonders to my skin. Also, make sure that you do a patch test before you actually apply these products on your face. It is very unlikely to have any irritations of that sort, but patch test is a must. And with that, I conclude today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment and tell me if you've already tried these products before and what are the other skincare products that are your holy grail in the comments below. And as always, please share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.